This is Rick Allen at Riotoro at Computex 2018, and here I'm going to show you Riotoro's new Morpheus case. It's the world's first convertible PC case. And what we mean by that is it can be resized. We're showing two examples of the same model case in the two configurations. The convertible factor is that you can resize the case vertically. This is the small compact mode you see that we built up here. And this is converted to the full height.
So you've picked up an extra, what, maybe 5-6 centimeters in the center.
Yeah.
If you see these guys side by side, there's a huge gap difference on this one.
Let's move them a little bit closer here so you can see the height difference.
Yeah, there's definitely a height difference.
Right, and in this configuration here, we've got a full-size ATX in small mode. And over here, we've got it, actually it'll fit the limitation is that we have 5 slots in this mode, but for most users, that's fine because you're burning a single GPU, right?
True.
If you want to add more cards here, you can install it in full height mode. I'll take the panel off.
So some thumb screws on the outside.
Yep, sexy red anodized. And I'll talk a little bit about how you reconfigure it in a second. Okay, and that's what it looks like empty in full height mode. You'll notice that we've got 8 PCI expansion slots in the back now when it's in full height mode.
Cool.
Now, the way you resize it, here's an example of the prototype panel right now. There's 3 panels. You undo some screws. We're looking at making it in a toolless design, but currently they're hard screwed.
Okay.
You resize the panels. The panels are the same on both sides. The front and the back resize in a similar manner. And then you just raise the height. That can be done fairly quickly. The goal is to make it so that you don't have to remove anything from the system when you do it, except maybe the expansion card needs to be moved out. And in addition to the convertible factor, we're also trying to make it as modular as possible as well. So there's a lot of cooling options. Right now we've got the radiator in the front. You can also top mount a radiator, bottom mount a radiator, and we're looking at options where potentially we could, if there's enough user interest, of actually doing a rear mount on the cooler side of the chassis for the radiator as well. We've got 2 3.5s here. We've got 2 pairs of dual SSD mounts here. We could also add expansion modules for more storage for people that really need more room for all their video files or for server storage.
So you guys really are trying to think outside the box when it comes to design. You're trying to do something that really hasn't been done before.
Outside the box and resizing the box.
And this will be, if all goes well, your plans on the production design?
Right now, the aggressive target is Q4 for production. Pricing is still TBD. But what we're looking to do is get a lot of user feedback and press feedback at the show. Just like last year when we launched our cases and showed them at Computex, we got a lot of user feedback. We immediately started making changes. We plan to do the same thing now based on the feedback we get on Morpheus.
Brilliant. Thanks for your time.